I just led a $24 million Series B in this company, Parabola. Here's why. Parabola automates workflows that were previously unautomatable. It's the kind of stuff that typically gets described as back office operations. Every company out there has operations teams, probably multiple of them working in different areas of the business, working around the clock just to keep the lights on. And the state-of-the-art tech for operations teams is spreadsheets. Like, so many spreadsheets. Like, a lot of spreadsheets. Here's an example. A quick-serve food retailer needs to calculate tips collected each day across 100 stores, paid both in card and cash, and then distribute those tips to the appropriate shift workers in their next paycheck. It's just bespoke and complex enough that you can't buy something off the shelf to solve it, but it needs to happen, and it needs to be right 365 days of the year. The only solution seems to be to hire an operations person and give them a spreadsheet. This is exactly the kind of unautomatable process that Parabola addresses. It could be simpler, like my tip calculator example, or it could be wildly complex, like a massive 400-step process that's meticulously documented as a standard operating procedure in a checklist. Even though these problems come from spreadsheets and you are moving data around, they aren't data science problems. They're business process problems. They live outside of your sophisticated data pipeline, data warehouse, and data team. Business process problems aren't about advanced analysis to find a needle in a haystack. Instead, it's about moving high volumes of messy data through your organization to simply make the business run day to day. Big or small, no matter the complexity, Parabola puts it all on autopilot. Now look, it's 2023 and everyone wants to do more with less, and you certainly can't get budget to just throw headcount at back office problems, so it's probably the perfect time for you to go check out Parabola to see if they can give your team some much needed leverage and efficiency. Well, that does it for today on the PLG 123. Make sure to subscribe for more videos featuring VC perspectives on today's top stories.